Imagine being able to create amazing animated kids' story videos that captivate and delight young audiences just like this.
And they lived happily ever after. And that is how the story ends.
I have just confirmed the rabbit is missing! We need to find him! Let's fly over the city and look for him.
There he is. He looks lost in the city center. Spark, hurry up before the cars get too close. He's over there. Poor thing. He is scared.
Thank you for saving me. I love you.
You're safe now. We did it, Spark. We saved the rabbit. We made a difference. We're a great team. Yeah. Let's save the city. Let's save others in need.
Sounds amazing, right? By the end of this guide, you'll have the skills to do just that, using a range of AI tools. You don't need any prior experience. I'll walk you through every step, but why should you care about making these videos? Here's a little secret. These animated stories can not only spark children's imaginations, but also open up new creative possibilities for you. Stick with me, and you'll discover how easy and fun it can be to bring stories to life with animation. Kids' video channels are hugely popular on platforms like YouTube. Children love fun, colorful, and exciting adventure stories, while parents appreciate the mix of entertainment and education these videos provide. This winning combination makes such channels incredibly successful, often drawing in thousands, even millions of views. Just imagine this kids' animation channel, Gulu Animation. They have only posted just 4 videos, but has already 52,000 users and total of 33 million views just by uploading 4 videos. Unbelievable, right? In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps I used to create the story video you just watched, so you can make your own amazing videos with AI by the end of it and start making YouTube money too. Here's what we'll cover: writing our script, creating our images, turning images into videos, generating voiceovers, syncing lip movements to match the voice, putting everything together for the final video. Grab your favorite drink and join me as we explore these exciting steps. Step 1. Writing the script. First, we need to write a script for our video. We'll use ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short adventurous story for kids with a moral lesson. Make sure to ask for a story under 1,000 characters so it stays short and sweet. In just a few seconds, our story will be ready. I chose 1,000 characters to keep it brief, but you can ask for a longer story if you want. Ask for simple English to make it easy to understand. Once ChatGPT generates the story, copy and paste it into a Google Doc. To make it better, separate each character's dialogue and write who is speaking at the start of each line. This will make it easier to record voiceovers for each character. Now, our script looks perfect. Step 2. Creating characters. Next, we need to create amazing AI-generated 3D images for each character in our video. We'll use a tool called Leonardo AI. It's a very powerful AI tool for creating 3D animated images and consistent characters. Click the link in the video description of this video to start with Leonardo AI. After logging in, click on Launch App. You get 150 free tokens daily, which is enough for our character creation. In the dashboard, select Image Generation from the left menu. Under Preset Style, choose Game Concept 3D. For image size, click More and select 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube videos. In Advanced Settings, choose Albedo Base XL. Now we're ready to create our characters. Next, let's use Leonardo AI to bring our main characters to life. Our story features a young boy and his funny dragon friend. We'll start by creating the boy. Enter a prompt in Leonardo AI to generate an image of a young boy aged 8 to 12. Perfect for an adventure kids story. In moments, Leonardo will generate the ideal image. Click Download to save it to your computer. To create consistent scenes with this character, you'll need a paid version of Leonardo AI, costing $12 a month, giving you 8,500 tokens, more than enough for plenty of videos for your new kid's YouTube channel. With my subscription, let's access the consistent character feature. Upload the main character images you've generated. In the prompt box, click the image icon, select Character Reference, then upload our main character image. Enter a new prompt for Leonardo to generate scenes with the boy. Click Generate and wait a few moments. You'll get amazing images of the boy in various scenes, like his room with a cute, funny dragon. Repeat this process for all the scenes in your story, ensuring the characters remain consistent. Once done, organize all the generated images in a folder to keep them neat. Now, all our images are ready. Step 3. Video generation. If you're enjoying this guide, please like and subscribe to our channel. Your support means a lot. Now let's turn our images into videos. We'll use a powerful AI tool called Dream Machine from Luma Labs. Dream Machine creates stunning video animations with depth, giving your images a 3D effect. You can generate up to 30 videos per month for free with Dream Machine. I opted for a paid plan to generate over 100 images for different videos. Look at this video Dream Machine generated. It's almost perfect. To use Dream Machine, click the link in the video description to get started. After logging in, you'll land on the main page. Click on the image icon and upload one of the images we generated with Leonardo AI. Next, you can give it a prompt to tell it what to do with the image, or leave the prompt empty and let Dream Machine work its magic. However, giving a prompt usually yields better results. I'll give it a prompt and click Generate. If you're using the free version, your video might take a while to generate and could be queued for some time. I've found it faster to generate videos on free accounts late at night Eastern Time. Since I'm using the paid version, this will be quicker. So let's click Generate and wait a few moments. Our video is ready. Let's play it. The video looks fantastic. If you're not completely satisfied, you can re-upload the image, adjust the prompt, and generate it again. Once you're happy with the video, click Download to save it. You can also extend the video length by clicking Extend and giving a new prompt for the longer part. Repeat this process for the other images you generated with Leonardo AI to turn them into videos. Now, our videos are ready. Step 4. Adding voiceovers. Let's make our video even more exciting with voiceovers. We'll use 11 Labs, a great AI tool that turns text into lifelike speech. It offers many natural-sounding voices, so your video won't sound robotic. You can find the link to 11 Labs in the description below. First, open your Google Doc and copy the first character's lines. Then, go to the 11 Labs website and paste the text into the box. Choose a voice you like. There are lots of options. Click on Menu, then Voices, and Library to explore. You'll find many voices, including male, female, and children's voices, with different accents like American, British, African, Australian, and more. Since our story is about kids, let's search for child in the search box to find child voices. Listen to them and pick the one that fits best. Let's choose a voice that suits our main character, Max. Add it to your library and go back to Speech. Now, select the voice you added to your library. Adjust the settings if needed and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Let's listen to it.
The rabbit needs help.
Perfect. Download it if you like it. Next, we'll do the same for the funny dragon character. Copy the dragon's dialogue, paste it into 11 Labs, delete the first dialogue, and find a new suitable voice from the voice library. Let's pick a voice that fits our dragon character. Adjust the settings if needed, and click Generate. After a few seconds, the voiceover will be ready. Listen to it, and if it's good, download it. Repeat this process for all the dialogues in your script. Make sure to use the same voice for each character throughout the video to keep it consistent. And just like that, our voiceovers are ready. Step 5. Syncing lip movements. Now let's make sure our characters' lip movements match the voiceovers we made. While Dream Machine creates great animations, it doesn't sync the mouths with the voices automatically. For that, we'll use Sync Labs, a fantastic AI tool that specializes specializes in lip syncing. To get started, click the link in the video description to visit Synclabs. After logging in, you'll be on the main dashboard. You'll see videos I generated with the free version, which have large Synclabs watermarks. To remove the watermark, you need to subscribe to a paid plan. I have already subscribed to a paid plan. To create a new lip-synced video without a watermark, click on New Project. Upload your video, and then upload the voiceover for it. Click on Model, and select Sync 1.5.0. for the best quality. After that, click Generate and wait a moment for it to process. I'll skip ahead, and now our video is ready. Let's play it.
The rabbit needs help. We need to find her immediately.
Looks great without the watermark, right? Final step, edit our video. For this step, we will use CapCut, a user-friendly AI-powered video editor that's ideal for beginners. To get started, simply click the link in the description to sign up and create your account. After logging in, click on Create Project and upload your video and audio files. Arrange them on the timeline to tell your story. CapCut offers a range of transitions to seamlessly connect different scenes. Play around with these effects to find the best fit for your video. To elevate your video, go to the audio section and add sound effects. You can choose from CapCut's library or upload your own. Place the sound effects on the timeline exactly where you need them. Adding captions or subtitles is also a breeze with CapCut. Head over to the text menu, select Auto Captions, and browse through the various template styles. If you want to add some flair, click on Animation to give your text some movement. Our video is ready to go. It's time to export it. Let's make the video look even better by increasing the resolution. We'll use a tool called TensorPix for this. You can find the link to TensorPix in the description of this video. Go to TensorPix. Upload your video and choose the 200% Upscale Ultra option to boost the quality. Now enjoy your video in stunning 4K resolution. You've just mastered how to craft stunning 3D animated story videos with ease. By following these steps, you're ready to start making eye-catching content for YouTube. Remember, success comes from consistency. Keep creating, posting regularly, and connecting with your viewers. Here's the best part. You've unlocked a simple yet powerful method for creating engaging videos that can bring in revenue. If you found this guide helpful, show us some love by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more tips and tricks to level up your video creation game. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy creating!